This is my answer to the most simple and the cheapest knife sharpening guide available there is. The knife is clamped between two fully heat-treated stainless steel plates using two wing nuts. Sharpening angle is adjusted by raising or lowering two nuts on the leg bolt. Consistency of the sharpening angle maintained by this fixture produces a crisp and refined bevel, which is extremely difficult with freehand sharpening. The knife for the demonstration today is called Deba from Japan, used for chopping fish. Make sure the total thickness of the spacer washers are equal to or slightly greater than the thickness of the blade before clamping. It is much easier to unfasten just the leg to add or remove washers instead of taking apart the whole assembly. The remaining washers are stored at the base with cap nuts. The blade is protected using a piece of cloth. I start by establishing the bevel on 220 grit stone at approximately 30-degree angle. Once a clean bevel is defined and burr is formed on the other side, I then raise the angle just a few degrees higher and finish at 8,000 grit hone. The knife is then flipped and sharpened only at the edge of the flat side. Burr is removed by stropping on a piece of denim. I built a batch of 15 of these sharpeners. They're currently on sale. Check out the video description if you're interested.